All right, everyone, I want to give you my review on this Hoopoe necklace to help with calmness, to help with trying to quit smoking. Now, the brand did send this to me for this review, but I'm really excited to get into it because I've seen these and I'll show you what's inside the box. So a couple of things. Now, this does not come with any oils. You would want to use whatever kind of essential oils you would like to use. It does come with a couple different chains. This is a matte black. And then silver chain. It comes with the holder itself, and then it comes with some of these little soft foam pellets. And this is what you put your essential oils on. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pop open your aroma holder here, just unscrews. You're gonna put one of these, after you put your essential oils, just a few drops, you're gonna put one of these in here. You're gonna screw that back. And then from there, again, if you have it on a necklace or a pendant, you can use it. You're just gonna take a slow, just 4-second inhale, and then release your breath. Exhale slowly, 7-8 seconds. You should get that flavor profile of that essential oil. But I would definitely recommend this if you're looking again for some of those features and benefits. Help with calming, soothing. Again, if you're trying to quit some of those habits, you can do this. I would definitely recommend this. That's my review.